Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the RAM in a iMac with a CD and DVD drive. Alright, so to replace the RAM in a iMac, what you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver and the RAM chip that you're looking to replace it with. So first of all, just make sure you have a flat surface to work on. Flip the computer upside down. And notice that there's a RAM door on the bottom of the computer. Use a Phillips screwdriver to take the RAM door out. After you're done screwing, pry up the edges of the RAM door. Set it aside. Pull up on the tab and pull out the RAM chip you're looking to replace. Take the replacement RAM chip, put it into the machine, push down, and tuck the tab underneath. Next, take the RAM door and screw that back on. Put the computer back in the upright position, plug the power in, and turn it on.